Okay, I'm going to take the jozuri off of this silver. It's the first application, so. This is an oil, like a kind of flower oil. And this is a powder for polishing. It's just the finest mesh of all the different powders and creams. Bill Gates, huh? Someone just joined with Bill Gates' picture and name. Anyway, here you go. So,
Cool, cool, cool. You're fixing something. I thought you were doing something else with all those paper, tissues.
what's that?
I thought you were doing something else with all those, toilet paper.
Yeah, right.
Towel. I got it wrong.
Hello. Oh, Bill.
Bill Gates, right? Anyway, here you go.
What are you doing, David?
I'm, this is silver, and I'm
Hmm.
polishing it out, actually. I've polished it, and this is kind of a protective coat, so.
Oh, are you trying to make money off silver?
No. Where are you? U.S.?
Texas.
Texas. All right. We're in Texas.
Austin.
Austin, Texas. Okay. Now this is just a kind of traditional repair that you either put silver or gold. You could put other metals in it if you wanted, but
Where are you?
I'm in Japan.
Oh.
Oh, damn. That explains the Japanese letters.
Yeah, where are the Japanese letters? I don't see any.
Around
It's
the.
Chinese, bro.
Well, it's probably.
I mean,
If I'm in Japan, I hope it's Japanese, but I don't know. At any rate, I'm in Nara, so.
well, the thing is, they're all the same, they're all Asian.
Anyway, I don't know if you can see the difference there, but it's a lot shinier.
Damn.
And then I'll just do the same thing I did before, which is put this on this lacquer. So I'll put it back on, and then that's the end of this process.
What's the point? Are you making any money off it?
I teach this, so
Mm.
this so like this actual Zoom workshop is just so that people who do this, which there's quite a few who do this, can watch what's going on. But I make money off it, but I do it by teaching. So I mean, I sell these too, so, but that's not the point of the workshop. So
I see we got Bill Gates in here. Bill Gates is actually one of the richest persons alive.
well, he's picked the right thing to do because it's kind of expensive to do it. So anyway, this is the that's it for today on this. I'll do this again tomorrow and repolish it off. So all right, it was nice meeting both of you. So have a good evening.
See you.
See you.